How to work for international companies from Nigeria? Yes, from the comfort of your home in 2025. If you are in Nigeria and you are tired of hearing remote jobs are not for us, then this video will flip the script for you. Today I will show you 3 trusted platforms hiring Nigerians to work remotely. No middlemen, no agents, just verified global companies. So guys, stay with me till the end. I have a bonus tip that will help you increase your chances of getting hired at least times 5. Alright? Now let's start with working on Mount is a good mine of remote job opportunities, and these sites create jobs from the best platforms across the internet, saving you hours of searching. Whether you are into writing, customer support, design, or tech, now you will simply find roles here that match your skills even as a beginner, guys. Now, so this is what you want to do. Just head over to workingnomads.com and filter jobs by category, and you can apply directly. No sign of fees. So when you are here, right here on the Working Nomads, you can simply filter or search by job title or company. All right, as you can see right here, and by location. All right, as you can see, you want to click on location right here. Maybe you are in Europe, Latin America, North America, but this is what you want to do if you want something that works anywhere. So you want to click on the anywhere, and you can also filter by category. All right, now you want to click on this, and maybe you are interested in administration, consulting, customer success, design and development, and so much more. So you want to click on anyone. Maybe it is administration, and after that you salary, and that is optional, and you simply scroll down. As you can see right here, this was posted 25 days ago, and another one right here, and this one is premium, guys. Now you can simply, if you can't find job right here, you simply want to come here and change from this administration, all right, from this job type, position type. Maybe you want a full-time or part-time or contract, guys. You can simply filter by that, but this is what I want to show you right here by this category. Now if you can simply come to this customer sources, so you can simply also click on this to scroll down a little bit. As you can see right here, this is anywhere, and you can earn from $1,500 to $4,000 per month. So guys, now the key right here is simply consistency. So you have to be consistent, guys. You don't just apply on one and you actually tired. All right, so you don't want to be tired, you just want to be consistent. All right, so guys, now moving to the next one, which is simply called, and Dynamite Job is one of my favorites. Why? And because it is 100% remote, updated daily, and the companies here actually respond to your applications. There are jobs in operations, customer support, content creation, and more. If you're in Nigeria and looking to work for international companies, this is where to be. So guys, they also offer filters like hiring globally, so you don't waste time applying to restricted jobs. All right, so guys, as you can see right here on your screen is the website dynamitejobs.com, and the best work from home and remote jobs from the top remote first companies. We have thoroughly checked all online listings to ensure you only browse legitimate, paid, and 100% remote jobs. And guys, you can simply click on search to actually get access to what you are interested in, or by category, by skills, by locations. So you can come here and search for Africa, because as long as you can get Africa here, you'll be able to work from Nigeria. All right, and by salaries and all types. And after that, guys, you, as you can see, if I scroll down right here, you can see there are different jobs listed right here. So guys, you just need to create your account right here on this platform. Now this one, marketing and content specialist, which is international, guys, you can simply jump on that. All right, so guys, right at number 3 is a legend in the remote work world. Now we work remotely, so this is one of the oldest and most legit platforms out there, and you see jobs from companies like Hotstar, Gitbook, and TopTar, and jobs range from design, writing, programming, marketing, and more. Nigerians applicants are welcome. Just look out for anywhere in the world or global in the job listing. So guys, as you can see right here on their websites, the largest job board for remote jobs, guys. Please, guys, if you're watching this, make sure you actually take action, guys. And if you're here to subscribe, please do so, and also like this video. All right. So guys, now if you're right here on this website, now to actually get started, you simply want to come here where you see this. You simply want to come here where you see anywhere in the world, guys. You just want to click on anywhere in the world. So you want to tap on anywhere in the world so you can get access to the jobs that are available for applicants, or maybe you are in Nigeria, you'll be able to actually get access to the jobs available for us. All right. So you can see right here, this one was posted 6 hours ago, as you can see right here. Now you can simply click on apply. This one is for anywhere, guys, anywhere in the world. So if you are from Nigeria, Ghana, Bangladesh, India, you can simply get access to this. As you can see right here on your screen, this is anywhere in the world, and you can simply apply. All right, you can simply apply. So guys, there are loads of them right here. And guys, this is it, guys. This is it. You just want to actually come here and create an account for yourself, and the guys should be getting access to loads of jobs right there. All right, now guys, how do you stand out on when you want to apply for this? Now this is what you simply want to do. You simply want to create a clean professional CV tailored to each role, and also you want to get a free LinkedIn profile set up if you haven't. All right, and take online courses on platforms like Coursera or Udemy to boost your skill set. And most importantly, you want to apply consistently, because most people don't get jobs not because they are not qualified, but because they gave up after 1 or 2 applications. And here is the bonus I promised. Kindly subscribe to my Telegram channel for daily remote jobs, templates, and free tools that will make your application easier. Link is in the pinned comment. And guys, you have seen the platforms, you have no excuse now. So the best thing to do is to start today and apply consistently, and you could be earning in dollars within weeks. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and be ready if you are going to take action and share with someone.